What's up, guys? This is Greg from MASTERSON'S Car Care, and I want to invite you to our anniversary party at our factory showroom in Anaheim, California. This is going to be on Saturday, July 20th from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., and we're throwing a huge car show for all of our customers, our subscribers, and our followers that love our products and enjoy our great detailing supplies. So come down to our factory showroom because we're throwing a huge party with a free car show, and we're giving the first 100 customers an amazing taco lunch by our friends at YETI Tacos. Now we're going to be having amazing deals in the store with awesome discounts and special kits. Plus, the first 50 customers to come into our store and spend $50 or more are going to get a free mystery bottle. We're going to be having a live DJ with free tacos and coffee and donuts, all for you guys. So come down to our showroom in Anaheim, California. Now the address is 2120 East Howell Avenue in Anaheim, California. We're right next to Angel Stadium. So get in line, come early. There's going to be a line out the door, and you got to get here first in line to get your taco tickets. Remember, the first 100 customers, we're buying you guys all an amazing taco lunch by our friends at YETI Tacos. So get down here to our Anaheim showroom. The address is 2120 East Howell Avenue in Anaheim, California. It's going to be Saturday, July 20th from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. I'm going to be here. All my friends are going to be here, and I want you, all my friends from online, to come down to our showroom. So wherever you are from around the world, get on that plane, hop in your car, get in a bus, ride your motorcycle down to our factory showroom and check out all the cool cars, the cool friends, and the cool deals that we're gonna have at the showroom. Plus, I'm buying you guys, the first 100 customers, an amazing taco lunch. So get down here Saturday, July 20th, hang out with me and the crew, and we're gonna have an amazing anniversary party. We'll see you there.